If I'm to start my remote job search all over again, here are the things I do differently that will save me time, save me energy, and help me land my remote job faster. Number one thing I would do differently is that I would not go and apply to any job I see there, knowing fully well that I am not eligible for this job. I am not qualified for this job. But because this job title matches my own title, like I'm a video editor, but when you go through it and I see that I am not qualified, but of course I want to apply to many jobs today and I'll go ahead to apply for it. This is something I wouldn't want to do anymore because this will exhaust you. The second thing I will do differently is that I will not apply to 10 jobs with the same resume. I will tailor each resume for a particular job, meaning that I will not be applying to jobs randomly with my resume and say, this is my resume that I'll be using for any jobs. No, what I do differently is that I will tailor resume for a particular job for it to match the job description, match the roles, and match everything required of me. And the next thing that I will do differently is that I would sit down and take out my time to work on my portfolio because my portfolio is the things that I need to show to my recruiters to tell them that these are the projects I've worked on. And I will make sure that my best project comes first. All right, that is the order that I'll arrange my projects on my portfolio. And I will not put 20 projects on my portfolio because I might bore my recruiters or my employers. I would select 3 or 4 best projects and put them on my portfolio because this is just showing them what you can do. That doesn't mean that that is the only thing that you've done or that is the only thing that you can do. And the next thing I could have done differently is network with people in my field, people in the same industry as me, and not just recruiters or employers. I would have been able to network with people on the same level as me because I'll be able to unlearn, to learn the things I do not know that my recruiters or my employers will not have the time to teach me. But when I network with people at the same level as me, especially people in the industry as me, in the same industry that I'm in, I will be able to unlearn and learn the things that can help me land my remote job faster. So here you have it. These are few things that I would have done differently if I'm to start over today. So if you're a beginner who is trying to land your first remote job, do these things consistently and it will make you to land your remote job faster and easier. So if you found this video helpful to subscribe to my channel, like and give me a comment in the comment section if you've tried any of this, if you'll be trying it. Until I see you next time, my name is Queen Valen and bye.